Hi everyone, this is Yash Vasant, and there's one question that had bothered me for years. And that question came up again and again and again in my life. And the question was, what is the one thing that makes the difference between great and outstanding? What's the one thing that makes us referable? What's the one thing when inserted into an organization, a person, a company, that really makes it go to the next level, that really makes the clients feel like they want to constantly be associated with the brand and give more and more business to it? And the answer I got to interview some incredible people in the world, billionaires, people who are super successful. And I asked them the same question, but I wasn't finding the answer that I was looking for until one day, and it was incredible when it hit me. I was in Africa. I loved being there, and I was on a safari. And while I was on it, this question immediately hit me. And the question that hit me was so simple, because we saw a herd of elephants walk by. And my question to you, and the question that came to me was, is the elephant a strong animal? And the answer is, hell yes it is. It is one of the strongest animals in the jungle, in the savannah. An elephant can just, put its leg on something and kill it. But is the elephant the king of the jungle? No, it isn't. What is? And the answer is the lion. The lion is the king of the jungle, and the question is why? It isn't stronger, meaner, faster, quicker than every other animal or wildcat in the jungle. Why is the lion the king of the jungle? And the answer to my question, and the answer to this, is simple. It lies in, what do you call a group of lions? Well, a group of lions is called a pride. And pride is everything. And what pride refers to is, even when a small little lion roars, it roars with pride. And when it does, not one but 100 elephants run. Pride is the one element that, when inserted into an organization, into a family, into a country, changes everything about it. Imagine if you weren't proud of, the food that was cooked at your home, would you invite people home for dinner? If you weren't proud of the way your office looks, would you invite people to your workplace, to your office? If you weren't proud of the car you own, would you show it off to people? Pride is the reason why we do a lot of the things that we do. Now, just a caveat here, pride has a very thin line with arrogance, and we're talking pride. Pride is a function of a basic understanding, where if your clients are proud of being associated with you, your referability goes absolutely insane, and is the biggest secret to generating money as an organization or as a business. There was a time when people were so proud of owning an Apple product. I think that time has kind of changed. However, pride, if you heard it, do you own an iPhone? Woohoo! People would go crazy, because it was about being proud of owning something, not just feeling good about it, but feeling proud. And my question to us is, how do we make our customers, our clients, people in our lives feel proud of being associated with us, of owning what we have to sell? And there's just 3 answers here. Building pride first is a function. Ask yourself this: are you proud of being Indian or American or whatever country you're from? Being proud, why are you proud of being from what country you're in? Is because you have a feeling associated with that country that it is yours. Number 1 is about building a sense of ownership. Number 2 is about building a deep sense of trust. And number 3 is about building a deep sense of dependability. We build these 3 things, and you are going to build pride amongst the people that are with you. And if you build pride, everyone is going to talk about you. Everyone is going to refer your product or service. And if you feel like you're not growing as an organization, as a chapter, as a family, as whatever, remember, pride is what might be the reason that you're not.